Hey Soulmates, what's good? Paul from Taste Soul Good here, and today I am in the Itaewon district of Seoul and we are checking out this. This is called the Toy House and it is a pop-up store and cafe to celebrate Toy Story number 4 that's coming out soon. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna see what all the hype is about. To infinity and beyond, let's go! Alright, so this cafe just opened today. I was actually the first one in here, so it's super cool. So this cafe is in the Itaewon district of Seoul, and it's open from today until sometime in October. So Toy Story 4 comes out here next week, so I'm really excited to see it. So we're gonna check out the cafe, we're gonna see what is here and all the different decorations. So let's go. Alright, so as you can see, I'm currently on the rooftop. So this is a 3-story cafe. And here we have these huge replicas of Woody and Buzz Lightyear. And in the background, you can see all the skyscrapers of Seoul City. So it's a super cool place. So luckily I was able to get here early before there's too many people. But make sure if you come here, you try to come early and check out the rooftop. So before this was actually a Pooh cafe. So Winnie the Pooh through Disney, and my good friend Ollie, who's also on YouTube, made a cool video about it. I'll leave a link down in the description box below for that. So I'm really glad to be able to come here the first day, but I want to go check out the cafe. So let's go down to the second floor and see what they have here. Alright, so there's a lot of souvenirs and gifts you can buy here, but I'm going to try this. So this is like a little toy machine. So I'm going to add in 2,000 Korean won to see what we have. Let's cross our fingers for something good. So let's go with this one. This looks like some type of keychain. So I'm going to put in money. Ooh, we got a pink one. What could be in it? I don't know. Let's find out. All right, what is it? Oh, it's a cute little pig. Little piggy keychain. All right, so this is what I got. I got the little piggy bank. Oh, it's really cute, and it's a bobblehead. Oh, it's really nice. I'll definitely keep this. I'm a little disappointed. I was hoping I would get Woody because Woody is my favorite, but I'll take this. Who's your favorite? Tell me down in the comment section below. I'm curious to know. All right, it's so cool here. Wow, so everything's so fun. There are people dressed up in costumes. I've got my little costume here. This is so cute. Oh, this is a lot of fun. If you have children, this is the perfect place to come to. And if you don't have kids, that's all right because you're gonna have a lot of fun regardless. So look at the menu, there's so many cool different looking things. So I'm not sure exactly what everything is, but these brownies look amazing. So I'm gonna order one of those. Then there's some best sellers, gonna try that out as well. So gonna see how everything tastes here. All right, so we just got all these wonderful drinks and a cake that was available here. So they had a lot of different things. So I went with a few of their best sellers. So this is called a Cowboy Latte. Ooh, they said this is supposed to be really good. I'm not sure exactly what's in it, but we're gonna find out. This is a Sunny Peach. It looks like some type of sparkling drink with peach. It looks like it's got canned peaches on top of it. It's gonna be really delicious. Smells really good. But I'm really excited to try this, you guys. So this is a triple chocolate brownie. Look at it, it is topped with icing and sprinkles, and it's got little jelly beans on it. Ooh, I am so excited to try this out. I think it'd be so good. So the price of this was 7,500 won. But this is what they recommended to try. So, all right, so let's go ahead and just try this because I am so anxious to see how this all tastes. So got Woody and Buzz Lightyear in the background here. It's a wonderful day. We're on the 3rd floor, the rooftop of the cafe. This is an excellent spot, and I'm really excited to try out these drinks. So it's kind of a hot day out here, so I need something refreshing and cooling. So this peach drink should be really good for that. So I'm gonna stir it up just a little. Oh, there's peach on top of it. This is gonna be really, really tasty, I think. This is a warm day outside, so this is what I need. So let's see how this tastes. Oh, wow. It's a little sour. On the bottom there, I think it's some type of sour syrup. And then maybe like a Sprite or Chilsing cider and canned peaches. That canned peach is really excellent, gives a little bit of chewiness. Really enjoy that. All right, so for the grown-ups here, they have a lot of different coffee drinks. So this is a Cowboy Latte that we're gonna try out. So there's coffee on the top and then some different stuff on the bottom. So let's stir that up a little bit. All right, let's see how that is. Ooh, that's really nice. Yum, so it tastes like a latte, like you're used to, but it's got a little bit of sweetness to it, but not too much sweetness. I normally don't like really sweet coffee, so this is the perfect amount of sweetness to it. This is quite lovely. So these two are supposed to be the best sellers, so definitely recommend both of them. So they have a lot of different flavors of both coffee and non-coffee drinks. All right, but I have got to get to the brownie, you guys. This brownie looks so good, right? All right, so the brownie itself is pretty nice size. It's got all those jelly beans around it. I love jelly beans. Yum. And they're Jelly Belly jelly beans, the best. All right, let's just break into this and see how this tastes because I have a feeling it's gonna be so good. All right, so we've cut up the brownie here. It looks so good. Oh, it's topped with all that frosting. This looks amazing. There's some type of chocolate inside, so it's a triple chocolate brownie. I can't wait to try this out, you guys. It smells so incredibly delicious. Oh, my mouth's like watering at this. I love sweet stuff, so this should be really good. So let's check it out. Oh, delicious. Oh, it's so good. This frosting on top is really light. It's like a whipped cream. The brownie is just firm enough. Oh, it's got a nice center. It's really moist in it. Just the right amount of sweetness, not too overly chocolatey. Oh, yum. That is so good. So it's a little bit dense, as it should be. Wow. So I tell you, brownies are something that's really hard for me to get in Korea, because usually they don't taste right. But this one is perfect. I could eat this all day. And that frosting on the top is just like a light foam, almost like a whipped cream. It's really light, almost like what you'd get on a cappuccino, I think, but it's a little bit sweeter. So once you add it to that brownie, This right here, it shows you what Woody and Buzz Lightyear would love. Because it doesn't matter if you're a kid or you're an adult. This brownie is something worth trying. There's also another one, it's a Nutella one. But I didn't try that one. Oh, so good. All right, so the Toy House Cafe was so much fun. I had such a great time. The food is delicious. I would definitely recommend it. So I'll leave all the information down in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Also, this runs until October, and then after that, it'll change into something different, a secret theme. I don't know what it is, but I will definitely be back here in October to check it out. All right, if you like this video, do me a favor. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and click that subscribe button because it's free, and who knows, you might like it. All right, until next time, have a great day. I'll see you later. To infinity and beyond.